Guys, my name is Etitolu Alokpe and you are welcome to my channel. If you're a new subscriber, thank you for joining me, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back. You know I love and I appreciate you so much. So in today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how I do my everyday makeup look without an actual makeup kit. So if you're that person that wants to do like a full face glam but you cannot afford a makeup artist, and you also do not have a standard makeup kit, then trust me, this video is something you want to continue watching. So basically everything I'm going to be using in this video is something that is super affordable. If you love this video, kindly give it a thumbs up by liking, drop your comments, and subscribe to my channel. Also, do not forget to turn on the post notification. You see that bell? Yes, click on it.
You got me singing.
Okay, without wasting much time, let us get into it. So first of all, I am going to be cleaning my face with this wipes. Actually, you can use makeup wipes if you have it, but then I actually love to use baby wipes because it's much and it's actually cheaper. You know, I said everything we are going to be getting is actually super affordable, so I'm just going to be going in with now that I am done with this. Actually, I'm supposed to go in with my foundation now, but then I am not going to be doing that because I don't know if you can see it, but I have like hyperpigmentation on some part of my face, so I'm just going to be covering that with a concealer first before I actually go in with my foundation. So I'll be using a concealer. With my foundation, so I'm just going to add some drops to my face like that, and then I'm going to be blending it with my beauty blender. So next I'm going to do concealer under my eye, between my chin, in the middle of my nose, and the middle of my forehead. I'm always careful of where I use for the foundation, and then I'll use it for my concealer. I don't know if you get me. I just don't use like the same place, or I clean it like this, and that way it even leaves it damp, and that's actually what I want. So I'm just going to be blending that in. Trust me, you don't want to go all over, you just want to like maintain that same spot. I am all done with that contour. So this one is for the contouring. Guys, you don't want to guess how much I got this time. Let's leave it. Blender, so I'm just going to be blending all that in. You can use a suitable shade from your eyeshadow palette if you do not have a contour powder. It's just going to give the same result at the end of the day. So for this, you can use any type of setting powder you like. So I will just be applying that like that, and then to the middle of my forehead. I try to make everything as simple as possible because this look is actually for another video. So when I started doing proper makeup, I did not have a setting powder, so I used to use white baby powder. So if you can get your hand on any white powder, you can use it as setting powder. You must have noticed a pattern, which is the fact that I tend to use one thing for more than a purpose, and that is the aim of this whole tutorial. You wanting to achieve a full face glam, but then you do not have the necessary tools and material. Like I've been using this same brush for more than one thing. I did not have a contour powder, and I had to use a shade from my eyeshadow palette. I'm going to use the same pencil I used to draw my brows to line my lips. Yes, to get ready, we are using the same brush, so I'm just going to be toasting everything. want it to glow. Now that feels soft. Now look at it. Look at that. Your hair. Good. So I'm just going to like be doing one and be going around my face. Lipstick, the lip liner, and the lip gloss. On today's video, I hope you enjoyed it because I did, and I'm sure that you are going to put one or two things you learned into practice. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate and I love you. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly do so immediately. Yes, do so. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and drop your comments. Also, do not forget to turn on the post notification in case I am dropping a new one.
Got me singing.